Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of Cruz v. Sun Holidays Incorporated, GR number 186312. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on June 29, 2010. Let's dive right into it. Facts. Spouses Dante and Leonora Cruz, petitioners, stayed at Cocoa Beach Island Resort, owned and operated by Sun Holidays Incorporated, respondent. As part of their tour package, petitioners were transported to and from the resort by respondent's boat, MV Cocoa Beach 3. On September 11, 2000, as petitioners were leaving the resort, they boarded MV Cocoa Beach 3. The weather was stormy, but the boat sailed anyway. Shortly after, the boat capsized, and Raulito Cruz, the son of petitioners, and his wife perished. Petitioners filed a complaint against respondent for damages, alleging that respondent was negligent in allowing MV Cocoa Beach 3 to sail despite the stormy weather. Issue: whether or not respondent was negligent in allowing MV Cocoa Beach 3 to sail despite the stormy weather. Ruling: the Supreme Court ruled in favor of petitioners. The court held that respondent was a common carrier and was therefore required to exercise extraordinary diligence in the carriage of its passengers. The court found that respondent had failed to exercise extraordinary diligence in this case, as it had allowed MV Cocoa Beach 3 to sail despite the stormy weather. The court also rejected respondent's argument that the incident was caused by a fortuitous event. The court held that the weather conditions were not so severe as to constitute a fortuitous event. In fact, the weather conditions were such that a very cautious person would not have braved the storm and put other people's lives at risk. Significance: the case of Cruz v. Sun Holidays Incorporated is an important reminder of the high standard of care that is required of common carriers. Common carriers are entrusted with the safety of their passengers, and they must exercise extraordinary diligence in the carriage of their passengers. If a common carrier fails to exercise extraordinary diligence, and a passenger is injured or killed, the common carrier may be held liable for damages. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.